Hello, welcome to the Quick Receipts software tutorial. Today, we are going to explore the software's user interface. We designed this interface to be fast and streamlined, perfect for high-speed thermal printing environments. Let's take a look at the layout. To keep your workflow smooth, the main screen is organized into 3 distinct zones. First, look to the left. This panel is the Tools box. Think of this as your primary directory. It holds all your essential modules, including your document folders, reports, the customer list, the item list for your products, and the recycle bin. Moving to the right, taking up the majority of the window, is the main display area. This is your active workspace. Whatever category you select from the left sidebar, the corresponding data will populate right here. When you launch the software, it automatically opens your default document folder. This gives you immediate access to your transaction history, where all your generated receipts are listed. Now, focus on the row of icons directly above that list. This is the Action Toolbar. It will automatically change based on what you are working on. Since we are looking at documents, the toolbar provides buttons for transaction entry. You have specific options to create a sales invoice, a receipt, or a packing list. You also have standard controls to edit, print, or delete entries. If you need to find a specific transaction, use the search bar above the list to filter by number, date, or status. A quick tip: if you organize your work using custom folders, they will appear in the Tools box on the left, right alongside the default folder. Now, let's see the responsive design in action. Go ahead and select Customer List from the Tools box. The interface updates instantly. The main display area now lists your client database, showing key details like addresses and phone numbers. Simultaneously, the Action Toolbar at the top transforms. It now offers tools tailored for contact management, such as new, import, and export buttons. You will find this seamless transition across the entire platform. Whether you are checking the item list or report, the central view shows the data, and the toolbar provides the exact tools you need for that specific task. Finally, look at the very top strip of the window. This is the main menu. Unlike the toolbar, this stays static. This is where you handle administrative tasks. You can access file, settings, document settings, tools, and help. Use this menu for high-level functions like configuring global preferences, settings, or customizing your document design. And that is your overview of the Quick Receipts software layout. It's built to put the right tools at your fingertips so you can work faster. Thanks for watching.